In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit admin user permissions in Pipedrive. Whether you're a new admin or just looking to refine your team's access, this guide will help you quickly navigate the Pipedrive interface and manage permissions effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by going to the Pipedrive website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for Pipedrive to find their homepage. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for quick access in the future, especially if managing your team will be a regular task. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Login button. You'll find this prominently displayed on the home screen. Enter your login credentials, your email and password, and proceed to log in. If you're overseeing multiple accounts, make sure you're accessing the correct one. After you've logged in, head over to the Pipedrive home. This is your main dashboard and serves as the command center for all your Pipedrive operations. From here, you can navigate to various sections depending on your needs, but for now, we'll focus on editing permissions. Next, navigate to your profile settings. This is where you can tweak personal and company settings. Look for a section labeled Profile and click on it. This area is tailored for managing the essentials of your Pipedrive account. Once you've accessed your profile settings, you'll see an option for company settings. Click on it. Here you'll find various controls that allow for adjustments to the broader company environment, including those pertaining to user management. After selecting company settings, go ahead and click on Manage Users. This is your gateway to controlling who gets to do what within Pipedrive. In large teams, effective user management is critical to ensure that team members have the access they need without compromising on security. From Manage Users, you'll need to locate Permission Sets. Click on Permission Sets to proceed. Here, you're in the zone where all user permissions can be fine-tuned. You can set specifics about what, when, and how different users can engage with Pipedrive's features. Remember, careful management of these permissions is important. Only grant the necessary permissions to users to maintain your company's data integrity. Redistribution of roles and permissions should always be handled with an understanding of each team member's responsibilities to prevent unnecessary access. By following these detailed steps, you now know how to manage and edit admin user permissions in Pipedrive. This ensures that your organization runs efficiently and securely, with each team member having the appropriate level of access to carry out their tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.